Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, my name is Charlie, and today we are visiting one of Western Australia's most adorable hidden gems. Honestly, this place is a very good place and it's a must see if you've never been there. It's it's called the Cohunu Koala Park in Byford. This place is an absolute must see, must visit for animal lovers, families, and anyone looking for a fun day out near Perth. Imagine hand feeding some kangaroos, cuddling up with some fluffy koalas, and wandering through the serene bushland all in one spot. Well, stick around because I'm taking you on a food tour to show you exactly why this park deserves a spot on your Western Australia bucket list. So let's go. So Cohunu Koala Park is located on 14 hectares of natural Australian bushland, just 40 minutes from the city of Perth in Western Australia. Come and make friends with some of the unique Australian animals living in one spot. Stroll around bush tracks, these pathways, hand feed many of these free roaming animals, have a chat with over 30 talking parrots, see Dingos, kangaroos, emus, deer, and the koalas, just to name a few. But there's a lot of other animals there that you guys are going to be happy to be around. And also, not to forget the Cohunu Park Railway. Oh, it's amazing. The children are going to love it. It's going to take you around the park. It goes through, zigzags its way throughout the park most weekends and public holidays. And please, like I said, do not forget to come with your camera because you need to take some photos so that you can have your memory with you all the time. So guys, welcome to this channel and let's dive into it. Well guys, this is Byford, a suburb in Australia. And today we're going to be visiting some kangaroos and other small animals found here in Australia at a place called Koala Park. Right now, I'm at the information board. Here you see a lot of things that you can do here. Top things to do in while visiting Australia, like in Perth here now. Byford, you got to visit the Serpentine Falls there. So that's the falls. It's all beautiful falls there. You can go and visit anytime. Go and pick up Sina Joshua. And then you got all other places there around. But today we will be going to a place called Koala Park. And Koala Park is somewhere, so it's somewhere around this place there. So that's where we'll be going today. So right now we're driving to Koala Park, and it's a place right here in Byford you can visit and have a look at and watch the animals. So pretty much I can say, let's say for example you've arrived in Perth and you'll be connecting to another state, and maybe you got 4 hours. Maybe it would be best for you to drive down south to Byford and go to the place called Byford Koala Park. The Koala Park is a place you see animals. You want to see like a kangaroo, you've never seen a kangaroo, you find kangaroos there. You find a lot of other animals there, plus you can also feed the animals. So this direction is where the Koala Park is. The dolphin. You want to see dolphin? Yeah. This is the place you want to come and watch the kangaroos and all bits of small animals of Australia. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the Koala Park. You can see what they have there. Just got small train there for small kids. Plus, you get to see this guy here. Plus, also you get to hold that guy. Also, you have the kangaroos there. plus every other bits of animals. So they open from 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. including public holidays and school days. So let's go back to the car and make the payment. We make the payments and join everybody else who's in there. Plus, there'll be a lot of fun for the kids. It's warm today, but it's not very hot. So it's going to be a lot of fun for the kids, and they'll love it. What? The door program. Okay, I'll cross it next time. What's in there?
That's a kangaroo there.
Oh, wow. Is that a dinosaur?
No, it's a kangaroo. It's
Oh, a kangaroo?
there.
Oh, Sidna just saw a kangaroo there. And we'll see a lot of kangaroos today, Sidna. There'll be a lot.
I want to see my koala.
You want to see the koala? Look at that. There's a koala over there.
No,
You'll see the koala today.
I want to see the koala in the tree.
Okay, let's go. Let's go and see the koala. And also, we're going to touch the koala today. You want to touch the koala? You want to hug? You want to cuddle?
I want to touch a bed.
Ah, good. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Oh, guys, now we're at the car park. Just right here at Koala Park. As you can see, it's quite a big car park around here. You can always find a good spot to park. So now we're going to the entrance of the park. So over here, you're not allowed to come with dogs or any other pets. So you just have to be yourself with kids only. Also important notice, the gates close at and are locked at 4:30. Please don't get yourself locked in, otherwise you'll be with it. So what's the price? $20 for adults and $8 for kids. Let's go, guys. Okay, going.
Daddy, work.
Yep, let's go.
Daddy, work.
Wow, let's go. Let's go.
Scared.
You don't be scared.
Want to see Daddy, a dinosaur.
What?
It's not real.
It's a dinosaur.
Yes, it is.
Yeah, you wanna touch the dinosaur?
No, it wants to eat me.
No, it's not gonna eat you. It wants to say hello. Hello, Sidna. I'm the dinosaur.
A dinosaur. Look, Daddy.
What's that? Is that a chicken? What's that? Huh?
It's a zebra.
It's a zebra.
Yeah, I want to see zebra.
And then here you see there's a train that goes around, and the kids will love it. So also jump onto the train. I hope it's still moving.
Daddy, Mickey Mouse.
Yeah, that's a Mickey Mouse / Koala.
Dad, a dragon.
Yep. There's a dragon. Hi, how are you? Good. So I'm making a video. I don't know if it's all right.
Yeah.
Yeah. Do you want to just tell people about this place?
Oh, okay, yeah.
Yeah. How is this place? What? Who can come here?
Anybody between 10 and 4. And
Yeah.
there's a little train ride for kids on
Yeah.
public holidays.
Yeah, good.
And,
So today are we going to have the train ride?
train running today, yeah. You'll see
Yeah,
them run
good.
around past in a minute.
Yeah, good.
Animals all run free, so
Yeah.
and they won't do you any harm.
Good. So I'm gonna post this on YouTube.
Yeah.
If you don't mind. Is
That's
that right?
fine, yeah.
Okay, good,
That's
good.
absolutely fine.
Cool, man. Thank you so much. I'll go around and then
Yeah.
just show people around there.
Yeah.
It's you know what? A lot of people I talk to, I said, do you know Koala Park in Byford? They said they don't know.
No.
A lot of people don't know this place.
No, I know.
But this place is the best park I've ever visited.
Yeah, a
in
lot of
Perth.
some people
I've
say
been to is it Albany down south.
Yeah.
There's a park there where the animals I could not believe how the animals are kept in there.
Yeah.
But you guys here, you keep the animals very
try
well.
and keep them
Yeah.
free, yeah.
Plus, there's a lot of cover for heat
Yeah.
because of these trees. So it's very good that you
Yeah.
guys do here.
Yeah, no,
Thank you.
it's great.
Yeah,
Thanks,
good.
mate.
Cheers, man. Thank you. Cheers, man. Good. Look at that. Is that what's that thing? Is that a chicken?
No, it's big.
It's a bird. It's a duck.
We have some leaves going to the Koalas.
Oh, the koala ones. Yeah, good. So those are the leaves. Koala will be eating those leaves.
And this mommy,
Hmm?
the baby.
Yeah. That's it now, the baby. Yeah. Look at this. You wanna cut the koala?
Yes.
You can cut the koala. Yeah. You
I couldn't see it.
see? Hmm.
I couldn't see it here.
Okay. All right. All right. So we are going to be making just a payment for the entrance, and then yeah. Oh, Sidna, come over here.
I don't know.
You can't hold the koala because you're not taller than 140 centimeters. Joshua can. You wanna hold the koala, Joshua? Huh? Yes? Alright.
That's the way to go to Koala.
Oh, okay, we'll find the time.
Look. I'm big.
Wow, it's a big hand.
I'm big.
Yep. Big hand. Good job. So get this. Hello.
Hello, how are you?
Yeah, good. I've got two kids. She's I think 4, and then is how old are you, mate? Maybe
That's
gonna
all right.
9, 8.
Two children and yourself.
Yeah.
No worries. 1 and 2. And do you want any animal feed or train rides?
Yeah, we'll do train ride and animal feed as well.
Yeah, okay. I'll just do ticket for 2 for the train.
Uh-huh.
She can be free. And
Yeah.
the animal feed is 2 for $4.
Yeah.
Dollars,
Okay,
and
good.
it's mostly for the kangaroos.
Okay, good.
And they're down the back. You go inside,
Yeah.
you feed them, yeah.
Okay, can you hold this? Don't
No
eat. It's just for feeding.
And you're not doing any koala holes?
Koala holding. Do you wanna hold?
She's too short.
Yeah, it's just too short. Yeah,
It's
I
got to
just
be
told her.
140
Yeah.
centimetre.
Yeah, I just told her. Yeah.
Yeah.
So
Or you can make your mind up later and come back and get
yeah, later. Okay, good. We'll see.
it. I'll just check this.
Am I gonna be on the train as well?
Sorry?
Am I gonna be on the train?
Yeah, I've got you on
Oh,
the
okay,
train.
okay,
I've
good.
just done this.
Okay, good.
Yeah, so 1 and 2
Excellent.
and the train, feed.
Yeah.
I've given you your feed and I'll just give you your train ticket in a
Yeah.
second. 52.
Yeah.
On the card, is it? Yeah.
Good.
Thank you. Do you want a receipt?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, now put 3, but I've only
Yeah.
charged you for 2.
Oh, okay. Thank you.
Yeah,
Thank you so much for that.
All
Yeah.
right.
Thank you. Good.
This is your receipt for your bank.
Yeah. Thank you so much.
Thank you. And you
So-
know where everything is?
Yeah. So I'm making a video for YouTube.
Oh, right.
Yeah. So I don't know. You wanna say something?
Oh, all right.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. Oh, thank you.
Are you gonna welcome people so that they can come in? Because
Yeah.
a lot of people don't know. They live in Perth, but they don't know this place.
Right.
Yeah. So I think it's a good thing that they know this place. I live in Byford myself. There's a lot of friends. Like there's 2 guys. I think you've seen one African family that's coming today.
Oh, it might have been the other lady working.
Yeah,
here.
okay,
I just come
yeah.
here, so yeah.
I asked them, have you been there? They said, no, and they've been here for years.
Oh,
Yeah, so it's a good thing that people around know this place.
oh,
Yeah,
right. Yeah, thanks for that.
Yeah, good,
I hope
good.
I did well.
yeah, it's gonna go. Yeah, we'll make it happen.
Okay, thanks a lot.
All right, thank you so much,
All right,
folks. Yeah,
then.
cheers.
Koalas are through there.
Oh yeah, sure.
Every animal's out there, kangaroos down the back.
Good. Thank you. Cheers. Yeah.
See ya.
See you. Thank you.
Good day.
Good day. Thank you.
This cow.
What's that, Joshua? Is that a kangaroo?
That's cow.
Ah, really?
That is a car.
What's that? Eh? Which one is that? Go there. Go and stand there on the grass.
I like it.
Let's go. Go there.
I touch it.
You wanna touch it? You touch it later. Ooh. What's that? On there? Oh, he's there. Come on, see this, Sinner. The girl?
now it's the year before's baby, so I've got to keep adding on the next year.
We'll pay and then you can touch it, okay?
He should really have.
So touching is how much?
Yeah.
Just touching is how much?
Well, you can have a little feel.
Oh, go and touch. Oh, thank you. How was that, Sina? Good? You like it?
That's it.
Just a
No,
little
you can't
touch.
hold because you're too short.
Just a little touch,
Yeah.
because it makes them hot if everyone pats them too much.
Look, it's eating the leaves.
On the pigeons. They
Yeah.
have very sharp.
Yeah.
Do you live here or are you on
I live in Byford, yeah. Yeah, just some place of
And we're from originally.
Zambia? Yeah, here.
Yeah, my daughter's partner's from Kenya.
Oh, Kenya, nice.
And I
Okay.
try to recognise Kenyan people. I know what,
Yeah.
I know what Somalis look
They look like
and they're
sort of
different.
features, yeah, a little bit, yeah. Some in the south myself.
See the baby one.
It's a baby one, eh?
Yeah.
Oh, that's
this
good.
is the baby one.
Wow.
What this is the baby.
Oh, they're baby koala there.
Yeah.
Ah.
Yeah, not the right time of year for that.
Yeah.
About June.
Yeah, exactly. Oh, they sort of produce during June or?
Well, that's
baby?
when the babies come out of the pouch. When they're born, they're only that big.
Oh, yeah.
Crawl in the pouch.
Oh, they'll stay there for
Fused to a teat for 6 months.
wow. So it's similar to kangaroo.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Marsupials do that.
Yeah. Wow. Good.
He's not eating.
Oh, that's it. All right. So
They like to sleep when it's hot.
as you can see,
That's just sleeping.
So just remember when you're taller.
Let's zoom in. What's that? See, there's a koala there. It's eating the leaves, eucalyptus leaves. And the other one is just chilling there in the tree there. Yeah, just having fun, relaxing.
So you haven't,
Look at that.
You haven't got far to come here, have you?
Yeah.
Lucky you.
Yeah, you can touch here. Come quickly before it goes.
I'm putting her back now
Yeah.
because she wants to go to sleep.
Touch.
You have one last
Touch her.
feel. Have a little
Yeah.
feel near her head.
Joshua, you wanna touch also? Joshua, you're afraid. You touch. Bring this.
She's not afraid. It's just
Go on.
not.
Go on. Yeah. Quickly touch.
I'm going to put her back. She won't hurt you.
Quickly. He won't bite you, said Joshua. Sitting is touching. What about you? Huh? You like it? Oh, nice. Here you go.
Dad, do you want to eat it?
No, you give this to kangaroo, not for you to eat. Let's go. It's for kangaroo. Let's go. You want it? Let's go. Oh, this big giraffe here, is it? All right, let's go, guys. Yep. All right. Let's go, Uncle. Let's go, Uncle Emmanuel. It's hot here. All right. What do we say?
Hello.
What do we? Hello, my figure. I'm gonna train guy. Oh, there at the train station. Okay. Oh, okay, no problem. We just came. All right, thanks. We'll catch up. Thank you. All right, guys. So you see, also here. Yeah, yeah. He wants popcorn. Let him. Let eat. No. Okay. You don't throw it down like that. Yeah. Yeah. Ah, you guys. Just hold it nicely away from him. Don't throw it down because we're gonna be feeding some animals. All right, so we have So this is the two emus. You see the emus? They'll come around and they want to feed. They want to feed of. There you go. You don't want to be wasting again. So they'll all come in and eat the popcorns. But I think these popcorns are meant for. The popcorns are meant for the kangaroos, you know. And then, what else can you see? It's got other things here to see. Let's see what's in here. Look at that. It's a porcupine. See that porcupine? There. You see the porcupine in there? In that round thing?
Daddy, look
It's a
at the
porcupine.
spider.
And then also you got the what's that called? And this one is a porcupine there, you see? There. You see? Josh, see here, this one. Yeah. It's a porcupine, eh? Am I right?
Porcupine, yeah.
Yeah, porcupine, yeah.
Yeah, white and
What's in the popcorn? What's
They buried
in
themselves under the ground. There's
the
another couple there. See?
Oh yeah. So why do they bury them? So is it because it's hot around?
Yeah, getting the cool air.
Ah, okay. And this one is what? What do you call that? That lizard?
Yeah, he's a bobtail.
Bob?
Bobtail.
Bobcar.
Bobtail?
Bobtail. Oh wow. Yeah, we just touched. I've never touched. Oh, this is like that's how it feels.
He's got a nice fat tail. If he's got a nice fat tail, he's healthy.
Yeah. See, they touch. Oh, quite good. Yes, Josh, can you touch? Yeah.
He's like a prehistoric, like a dinosaur. Isn't
Yeah,
he?
like a dinosaur.
I don't know if he'll eat that. I don't think he will.
Oh, that's funny. That's a good one.
No worries. There's another one there.
Yeah. Oh, a big one there.
He's got a nice fat tail too, see?
Yeah.
He's nice and healthy.
You said it's called what? Fat tail?
Fat tail, but that makes them healthy. That's
Yeah,
where
yeah.
they store their food, so.
Oh, that's where they store the
Yeah.
food from the back
Yeah.
there.
Yeah,
Wow.
here he is. He's nice and healthy.
And what do they feed on?
Oh, we give them bits of fruit, and if you got them in your garden, they'll eat all your strawberries and they'll
Oh,
eat
they eat
eggs. and
food.
that
So
sort
they
of
don't
thing.
eat. They don't eat like flies and stuff.
Oh, they do. They'll eat other flies and that.
Yeah.
But they love fruit. you know,
Fruits. Yeah.
fruit and
Oh,
tomatoes.
good. Thank you. That's good. Yeah. Good, man. No, this is gonna be a good video. I'll make sure I'll post it on my Facebook as well as my YouTube. All right, thank you so much. All right, so guys, you can see there. Let me just zoom. I think that's the how far I can zoom, but it says bobtail lizard and eggna. I think the eggna is the porcupine. Bobtail lizard is lizard live in dry forests, woodlands, hummock grasslands, and slablands. So that's good.
Oh, Daddy,
Alright.
look at the
What's this one? What's this one, Gina?
A cat.
A cat? He wants to eat. Wants to eat this as well. Yeah? Come here. Okay, that's it. Just one.
What's that?
Wow. What's that? It's beautiful, isn't it, Sydney? Ah, just that. That's it, Sydney. Don't eat a lot. Don't eat a lot. Don't eat it. Ah, that's it. Don't eat a lot. You give kangaroo that. Alright, so let's go, guys. Then we got a dinosaur there from way back thousands, millions of years ago. It's just here. Find it here. Anytime. Yeah, that's hello. Good. And how are you? Good. Do you guys enjoy it?
Yeah.
Oh, nice. And look who we find here. How are you, sir? How are you finding this place?
Very good place. I urge your parents to bring your kids
Yeah,
here.
yeah,
Have
yeah.
fun.
It's better than any other park here in Perth, honestly, this place.
Oh yeah, it
Yeah,
is very good.
it's good. Look at that. You can see the impala, cocado, whatever it is. Plus, also, we'll be getting onto the train now. You're still around there? Okay. Come here, over here, Sina. Look at that. Huh? right here in Byford, you can find all these animals. That's good, man.
What?
Yeah. How are you, sir?
There you go, right?
Yeah, good, good. What time is the next train going?
Got a ticket?
Yeah, we got ticket, yeah.
We'll go.
Oh, good. So we're gonna get onto this train now, and it's called Cohunu. Is it Cohunu? How do you spell that? How do you pronounce this? Cohunu? Cohunu Park. Lerwe. Yeah, good. So now let's board the train and go around the park. Wow. We sit back, relax, and watch the animals on our way. Should I give you this? Should I give you this?
Okay.
Yeah, sure. Yeah, sure. You sit in the back if you want. Yeah. You want to sit there? All right. You can sit there in front or just sit in front, so there. Don't worry. You'll move on. And what sort of animal is this? What's the name of the animal? This one.
It's a red deer from Scotland.
Red deer. Oh, so it was just imported in. Wow, beautiful. Yeah? Oh. No, that's fine. Just sit properly. Sit like this. Okay.
Okay, all aboard.
Yep, ready. Alright guys, we're now aboard a train. And I'm with Sidna and Joshua. Joshua, say hello. Say hello. Pepe. Yeah, let's go. Let's go, let's go. Don't kick us. Hold on, wait. Wait. Is he alright? Alright, okay, good. Look at that. We go together. Our lovely animal behind us, following us all the way on this expedition of the Koala Park. Come on. Move fast. Let's make it move. Oh, it stopped. All right. So, and we are now on a train. This is hey, Sidna. Isn't this good? Look at that, Sidna. Yeah, it's going with us everywhere we go. Look at that. Huh? Wow. Yeah? You can touch. Touch. Huh?
You want to go, you want to find it.
Come on. Alright, so then look at this big goat. Look at that. Big, massive goat. Wow, that's massive. So guys, if you've never been here at Koala Park, the kids are gonna love this place. And like you see today, there's not many people. Because why? Because not many people know this place. So for those people who live in Byford, I encourage you to be visiting this place often. And then also people around Perth, visit this place often. This is the place the kids will love all the time because the animals are so friendly, as you can see. So they'll love it. The kids will love it. Bring the kids here. Bring your family here. There's a lot of places here you can have picnic as well if you want to do that. You can also bring your girlfriends or your boyfriends for those who are boyfriends. So let's go, guys. How is this? Are you happy? You like it?
Thank you.
What's that?
It's a bunch of dinosaur wing.
Dinosaur.
Dinosaur.
Wow, it's big. Is that a tail? What's this? So massive.
Yeah.
Is that a mouse?
Crocodiles like this. What?
Wow. Go and see that one also, okay?
Okay.
Yeah. What else? And then from here, I think we've run out of popcorns. We might buy some extra popcorns. Look at all these beautiful habitat for ducks and other birds in there. And then over here, see the koalas and kangaroos. Of course, the emu. So the emu, for those guys who are just wondering, this emu is similar to the ostrich, but these are native of Australia. They're very common here in Western Australia, and they are on the coat of arms of Western Australia. And this one is just another dinosaur. And then I'll show you the difference when we look at the ostrich. You find that it's the big difference between that and then also the emu. They're similar birds in that they cannot fly, and then they've got similar features, but they're quite different. Joshua, what are you gonna say? You like this place? You wanna go home? Huh? Say, how about you, Sina? You wanna go home?
No.
Why? Why?
I don't.
You don't wanna go home? We go home now.
No.
Huh? So you see, when you bring your kids here, they'll be happy. They wanna be here. Plus the train, man, it's just so comfortable, man. And look, there are no people. This is a public holiday. There are no people here. Why? Because not many people know this place. This place is where you find, there's value in what you pay for here, honestly. The entrance was $8 for the kids and $20 for the adults. Anyway, this is for the kids. But the value we get from the money we pay, I can say this is one of the places in Perth where you can pay something and get what you want from that. So go around this train, and it's been going now for some time now. Okay? So coming from there, there, we came down from there, and then we came around and then top of this bridge now. We're just on top now. And now we're going back to where we started from. Look at that beauty. Yep. Look at that. That's an ostrich.
Oh, that's the other one.
No, it's not. That one's a baby ostrich, I think.
This is mommy there.
Yeah.
And this is the other mommy.
What's this? Is that a chicken?
No, it's mommy.
It's mommy. Ah. So guys, it's been a journey on this train, and now we finally arrived at our starting point here at the station. All right, guys, let's go. This way. Thank you, sir. Good. Yeah. Let's go, guys. Oh yeah. Damn. Wow. What was it?
Just on the ground.
Oh goodness me. Thank you. All right, I dropped my phone. Forgot about it, eh? Huh? No, we're not going home. We're going to see other animals. Yeah, so that's an emu. That's a big bird. Emu?
No, it's a donkey.
It's a donkey. It's pony. Come over here. Hey, pony.
Pony.
Ah, it's gone. Let's go this way. losing weight.
Daddy, oh,
So this one is, I think this place where these guys are, it says Resident Weight Loss Center. This area has been reserved for our resident animals that like to overindulge with their eating habits. Please do not feed the animals whilst they are on a dieting program, as it may seriously affect their health. Thank you, management. So you see, so all these guys in here, the ponies you see in there, they have overeaten, so they have to lose a bit of weight, you know. Let's go in. Let's go. We don't feed these animals, eh? Bring it. Okay. It's gonna hold it. All right. Let's go and see. Close the door. Close the door. Oh, come here. Let's just see. Come sit now. All right. See the pony? Are these pony? Yeah, pony.
I touch him.
Can I touch or they kick?
Yeah, you can have them. Just watch the back of the brown one.
Oh, you can kick?
He's naughty.
Oh, they can kick you, Cinda.
His name is Dusty.
Yeah.
And the other one's Honey.
Yeah, honey.
And that one in there is Bella.
Oh, Bella and honey. Okay.
You go in and pat them and just watch the back of the brown one.
Okay, don't go to the back. It's gonna kick you. So come here. See?
I'm going to touch
You can touch here. Like that.
him.
Touch. Yeah. That's it.
Lie. It's eating me.
Eating, yeah. That's eating. Look. He's shaking. He's scratching the body. Okay, and this is see, pony. That's the pony is eating there, but he's on diet.
What's that?
Yeah, it's a pony. Wanna touch again?
I touch his head.
Yeah.
He has a head.
Yeah. Let's go. Let's go.
No.
Let's go next. We'll see something else. Joshua, you're afraid. Joshua is afraid to touch.
Someone's afraid to touch. What's that, Daddy?
Well,
What's that there?
look who we find here. More people that are coming to this wonderful place. How are you, sir?
I'm all right.
Welcome. You're a bit late. Have you
Yeah,
been to the train yet?
That's where I'm going.
Oh, okay, good.
Yeah.
I think the train will be good. We just came from there. Yeah. Good.
The train's coming.
Know where it is, eh? Okay, it's over there. But it's the first time you've been here, isn't it?
Yeah, this is
Okay.
my first time.
Daddy!
All right, we're walking around. You'll catch us once you come up from the train. All right, cool. Thank you. Yeah, so that's the train. Look at that. Everybody's welcome on this train, eh? So, it's a beautiful thing, you know?
What's that?
Go on there. Yeah? But come in here. Yeah. Yeah, look at that. So good. Kangaroos there. And the emu. Yeah.
And the baby there.
Yeah.
And the baby there. Baby
Wow,
there.
many
And
babies.
Mommy.
Yeah. It's nice, isn't it?
There's the other mommy. There's a baby there.
Yep. Many babies. Let's go in now. In this pen, you find kangaroos and also some emus and small kangaroo. You see, this is a small type of kangaroo. Look at that. Okay, just like that. So don't finish everything. You can also touch, like that. Touch. Hmm? Hmm? Don't be afraid, Joshua. Why are you so afraid every time, Joshua? Hmm? They don't bite these things. They just want to eat popcorn. You can do this. You can do that. Hmm.
I want to do it.
Do this.
I want to do it.
Okay. That's it. Don't finish everything. There's a lot to give.
It's everything.
All right. So guys, this place we are now in is for the kangaroo, like I said. And then on the other side, you see the ostrich. I think there are 2 of them in there. But we'll get to that side as well. That side, where the kangaroos, the ostriches are. For now, let's see. You got? You touch it. That's good, Joshua. No, don't be afraid. The animals, they don't bite here. Yeah? Yeah, good. Let's go. Which one do you want to feed? Oh, let's go sit over there, and then they'll be coming to us. So the good thing again about this place, there's a lot of trees that provide the cover for the animals. So when it's hot like this day, the animals can always sit under the tree and just relax. And like other places, you don't find this kind of environment where there's tree covers that will provide the shade. Joshua, you're not afraid now? You can feed the big one also, that one. You can feed the big one.
That's mama, eh?
Hey?
That's mom.
Oh, they beat me here. Hmm? You gonna finish all the popcorns?
Yeah.
Huh? You're finishing?
Look,
I'm not gonna buy more.
the big one is drinking water.
Mm.
The big one.
Yeah, he's drinking water there.
Hey, you want popcorn? No one. What's that?
I told you not to finish the popcorns. Now you see, would have been feeding this the thing. Okay, so now here we are. I'm with this kangaroo here, who's become my friend. So that's what you get to do here at this park. These kangaroos, they're just with you. They'll come and stay with you. So it's a very good park. Look at that. It's enjoying my company there. You see? Enjoying my company. So it's a good park.
It's touch his tail.
Yeah.
What's a touch his tail?
Yeah.
Jump.
You want to touch the tail?
It
He'll
wants
kick
to
you.
Jump.
Hmm?
Huh?
He will kick you. Kick.
No, you don't kick me.
I ain't touch the tail. Scratching the tail. Look.
But the kangaroo can't kick me.
Yeah.
And the horses kick me.
Wow. It's touching the tail. Look, it's hopping.
going?
Hmm?
He's going. Going to his baby.
Going to see other babies there. This one has been a bit
Silly.
silly.
The baby's silly.
Yeah.
And you have a good baby.
Yeah. Good baby and silly baby. Silly baby wants to fight mommy.
Yeah, this baby's good.
Yeah. But wants to fight mommy.
Hello.
Hello,
Daddy.
kangaroo. It's a small kangaroo, see?
Look, he have his hair leg. He have a nail. Look.
Yeah, it's got big nails there. You see? These are big nails. It's gonna scratch your face.
No.
Hmm.
He wants to scratch his mommy.
Yeah, because it's gonna fight the mommy.
How are you?
Okay, so the next one, we're going to see the ostrich, which is bigger than the emu. Yeah. All right, so that's the ostrich there. It's massive, isn't it? Look at this big one. Look at the head.
But small one.
Don't put your finger there. It's gonna bite you. Ah, look at you, man.
What is your camera?
Look at you. All right, so, and that's the ostrich. But the ostrich stays inside there. I don't think we're allowed to go in.
His baby?
Maybe they can run away or they can be aggressive. I don't know.
What's his baby?
Look at that. It's massive.
Where's baby?
Then there's one there walking.
That's the other one there.
Yeah.
That wants to be.
You want to say hello?
You say hello.
Yeah.
Hello.
Hello, ostrich. Okay, massive. Look.
That's his friend.
Look at the leg.
Hey guys, guess what? There's a big one here. No, stop, don't do that. Big one here. Oh, there is.
Yeah, so it's a lot of things to do here. So you can see, you can pat the animals here, feed them, and then the animals also will show the love. Once you're showing that love or feeding them, they'll show that love back to you, you know? Yeah? Not for barbecue, no. So over here, come here, Sinner. Over here. So over here we've got a kangaroo with a pouch, and then also in that pouch there's a baby. But I think it's just went in. So let me just see. Go. So there's a pouch there, if you can see. There you see that pouch? Yeah. So there's a baby there. It's inside there actually. You can see it's sort of pouched up. So that's where the baby is. And it will, I don't know, it was out before. But I think maybe it saw me, so it went in. All right, what else can we see here? So some geese, geese and ducks. Yeah. What's that, Sidna? Oh.
Look at that!
What's that? Huh? Okay, you can come here. We get pictures as well if you guys want to put some pictures. All right. It's got a lot of ducks there. See that? So many ducks. Look at all these beautiful ducks, different types.
They're getting feeded.
And over here, what's this, guys? There's some duck. There, big duck. Some birds. Peacock. Parrot. Hello, hello, hello. Hello, hello, hello. Okay. Hello. Hello, hello. Hello. Did you hear that? Hello. 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 So look at that beautiful looking parrot. I think this one's the one who spoke. Hello. Hello. You see? Did you hear that? Hello.
Parrots are gone.
Yeah, they're speaking. Hello.
Hello.
Hello. You hear that? Hello. 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 How are you? Hello. Hello. You see, if a bird can speak and you cannot speak,
Guys, I found an
then there's something wrong.
Guys,
Hello.
come, it's speaking. One of them speaking.
This
come.
bird is. Hello. How are you, mate?
How are you?
And you can tell it's speaking in Aussie accent.
Hello.
Hello. Hi, mate. Hi, mate. Hi, mate.
How are you doing?
Hi, mate.
How are you doing?
Hello. Oh, hello.
How are you doing?
Hi. Hi.
Doing?
Hello. You see? They're saying hello. Yeah, and the accent is Aussie. Can you imagine that?
Yes, I can.
Can
As my accent is not so good. It's better than me.
it's able to get that Aussie accent nicely and speak that, you know? You come here often?
No, that's
How do you find this place? It's good?
Yeah.
It's nice, isn't it? Yeah, yeah. Hello. It's good. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, yeah. So, good. So, guys, you see, you can't miss anything here. Everything is here to entertain you, to give you that nice vibe, you know, that beautiful vibe. You find it here. You got birds that can speak. You got the kangaroos that can dance. You got everything here. Everything you'll be expecting. And everything you won't be expecting, you'll find it here, because there's some things that don't happen in real life, but they're happening here at Koala Park. All right, so that's it. So we have the United States visitors who come from United States, from European Union. I think that's Japan or Korea, New Zealand, South Africa, and China. This was Charlie at Koala Park. That's the end of this video. Next, I'll bring you more videos of Byford, because this is my suburb, this is where I live. So I'm gonna promote this place as the best place. So thank you for visiting Koala Park. Please drive safely. Okay, so let's now exit.